And as you know, in every walk of life, there is mathematics. Mathematics is not to man, it means human being. Even animal and birds also understand math. And for it, you may see an example. Suppose there is a bird and there are 3 eggs in its nest, and one egg falls down. That time the bird understands that my one egg is missing. Suppose there is a dog and it has 4 puppies, and if someone steals one puppy, that time dog knows that my one puppy is missing. It means math is such a subject which is known to other living things also. And when you see anywhere, that time you will find that there is math. In math, you have read rectangle. Who have read rectangle? Rectangle, do you know? Anyone? Rectangle? Rectangle in mathematics? Rectangle, square, circle. Have you read it? Rectangle? Okay. If I tell you to find the example of rectangle in this hall, is there any example of rectangle in this hall? Is there any example of rectangle in this hall? How many examples are there? Can you find how many rectangles are here? Suppose I am telling here, just see this one. This is rectangle or not? This is not rectangle. This part is rectangle or not? Then how many parts are rectangle here in this whole hall? Can you count it? You can count how many rectangles are there? Only 6 rectangles are there. This is rectangle or not? This part is rectangle or not? That part is rectangle or not? That window is rectangle or not? Then what is the window? Square. Okay, and after window there is a part that is rectangle. And this door? Your desk is rectangle. Bench? It means if you see only the example of rectangle, that time you find that there is hundreds of rectangles in this house. In the same way, if you find other things, that time you will find that there is everywhere mathematics. So, in our life, there is importance of mathematics. When you go to market to buy anything, there is mathematics. Suppose the rate is 10 rupees per kg or per kilo. And if you buy half kg, there is mathematics. If you buy 2 kg, there is mathematics. It means without mathematics, it is not possible to progress in our life. So, this is Mathematics Day. This is the birth anniversary of Sri Ramanujan, and on this day we are celebrating Maths Day in our school. National Men's Day, and I think all Bhaiya Bahans are getting today the chance to participate in it. Different types of competitions are going to be organized here, and all Bhaiya Bahans will take part in it, and I hope you will perform well and get position so that you may get prize next day. Thank you and have a nice day.